on why your garage door won't open or close. First one we're going to be talking about is a broken spring. In this case, we'll be talking about a broken torsion spring. You'll be able to identify the torsion spring if you stand inside of your garage, look directly at your door up in the center. Depending on the size door you have, you'll have 1 or 2 black coil torsion springs. If you see it separated like this, that means it's broken. You won't be able to lift your door up. Your cables on each side will be slack, and if you pop that emergency red pull cord, you won't be able to get it up. It's the muscle of your garage door. It does about 80 to 90% of the work. The motor is the guide. When this is the case, do not try to run that motor. If you run the motor, you will burn the motor out. It's too much to lift the door on its own.